So, my fellow friends, now we're going to look at a application. An application of een vraagstukje is almost similar to solving a right-angled triangle. In fact, it is a bit easier because you do not have to look for all the three missing elements. You only have to look for the elements that are asked. So I'm going to read this one with you and I'm going to show you this as an example. And the next one, on the next page, you're going to make on your own. Height of a wooden bar. The picture shows a 3-meter long wooden bar leaning against a wall. The distance between the foot of the bar and the wall is 0.7 meters. Determine the angle between the bar and the wall, and B, determine the height at which the bar leans against the wall. Your answer should be correct to 1 centimeter. Now, in this drawing, this might seem confusing. This A refers to that A, and this B refers to that B. We're not used to doing this, so we're not going to use that. We are going to do it in the exact same way as we are familiar with it. This is side C, this is side A, and this is side B. Now, again, always start with indicating what you know. I know this and I know this, and I'm looking for angle B and also for side C. So, as we've done many times before, so we know that A equals 3, we know that B equals 0.7. We're looking for angle B and side C. Now we're going to solve this, the solution. I'm going to draw a nice sun to show that this is the solution. Going to start with B. So to B, side B is its opposite right angle side, and A is the hypotenuse. So sine of B is equal to B divided by A. Or we're looking for an angle, so we're going to invert that sign. Or B is the inversion or the inverted sine of 0.7 divided by 3, and now you're going to use your calculator. So we have 13 degrees, 29 minutes, and 36 seconds. I'm also going to calculate the length of C. Do that in another color. So for C, well, of course, C is pretty easy because that is, of course, my Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagoras in triangle ABC. C is a right angle side, so it is the square of A squared minus B squared. And therefore the square root of 3 squared minus 0.7 squared, and that equals, and we're going to round that at 1 centimeter, so that means 2 digits behind the comma, so 2.92. A difference with a application or a word problem is that you still have to, of course, write an answering sentence. Yes, and the answering sentence is very often almost repeating the question and simply answering it. So, the angle between the bar and the wall is 13 degrees, 29 minutes, and 36 seconds, and the height of the bar against the wall is 2.92 meters. So, okay. Now it's up to you for the next exercise. And I'm going to give you a small hint. There is a word that you don't know, and that is a pedestal. So the pedestal is this, the sokkel, yes? So the question here is, calculate the height of the statue. This is the statue, yes? So I only want the height of the statue. How are you going to do that? You're first going to calculate the height of everything. Then you're going to calculate only the height of the pedestal. And if you subtract these two, then you'll get the correct solution. Don't forget to upload your result. Thank you very much and have a nice day.